Digital marketing is booming. It's the ocean and industry full of opportunities all over the world. And it is one of the fastest growing field in India from the last 10 years. It helps in promoting services and businesses through the internet space. If you really want to become a digital marketer, then it may open the door of joining a marketing agency, consultant, doing freelancing work, or working in a business or for some other company's marketing department. So, why it is so popular? Because it is quick and easy. Means it is the easiest way to track and monitor your digital campaigns, and more importantly, calculate the return on investment. Secondly, it is affordable. Means it is considerably less expensive than other marketing methods like traditional marketing. You know what? It is a simple process to start a career in digital marketing, but it is not that much easy. You have to enhance your skills by more practicing and focusing on understanding different digital marketing tools. So in this video, I'll be teaching you about how to become a professional digital marketer. If you become a digital marketer, then your job will be something like creation of awareness and interest in the company's product and service. So this can be accomplished through the use of a website, social media platforms, mobile devices, and even emails. And it's also very important to be the familiar of the most frequent types of digital marketing. Major type of digital marketing are content marketing, which is my favorite. It is not only designing a banner, creating a blog, making some videos, but rather serves to educate, inspire customers. You know what? Content marketing gets 3 times more leads than paid search advertising. And second, website marketing. A website is the centerpiece of digital marketing activities. Yes, it is a very powerful channel on its own. A website should represent a brand. Then pay-per-click. PPC is a search engine marketing. You can say pay-per-click is an online advertising model in which an advertiser pays publisher every time an advertisement link is clicked. Alternatively, PPC is known as cost per click model. The pay per click model is offered primarily by search engines, example Google. Affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? My dear friends, affiliate marketing is a model in which company compensates third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's product and services. The third-party publishers are affiliates, and the commission fee incentives from find ways to promote company. It's a very wonderful technique to get money in less time. Email marketing is another wonderful platform or channel. It's a form of direct marketing that uses emails to promote your business, product or services. It can help you to make your customer aware of your latest items or offers or integrating into a marketing automation efforts. That can also play a vital role in marketing strategy with lead generation, brand awareness, building relationships or keeping customers engaged between purchases through different types of marketing emails. And it is very good at sales funnel. Another interesting term is digital PR. Digital PR is a promotional tactic used by marketers to increase the brand's online presence. It is a measurable and tangible strategy to driving brand awareness. Oh, that's a wonderful thing. Search engine optimization. It's a science or art, you can say. It's mostly very much important to the marketers who do not want to run ad on Google platforms or Facebook platform. They want to do it for free. So it's a set of practices designed to improve the appearance of positioning web pages in organic search. Organic search is the most prominent way for people to discover and access online content. A good SEO strategy is essential for marketing. Try to understand how digital marketing helps businesses to get engagement and leads. How they drive more traffic for businesses by using different digital marketing methods. Learn digital marketing tools, because learning digital marketing tools is very essential to become a good digital marketer. Never ever stop learning, because if you do so, you will be out of the game. Investing in training throughout your career will help you to become a successful digital marketer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. We'll be adding more videos so that you can learn and become more professional and boost your career to the next level.